क्या आप भी ऐसी वीडियो बनाना चाहते हैं तो इस वीडियो को पूरा देखें। मेक AI वीडियो रोबोटिक to the ChatGPT and this given this result. Text to video tool Runway, ElevenLabs, Synthesia, voice cloning, ElevenLabs for voice cloning, video editing for CapCut and other. And now we are getting prompt. Okay, jungle view, robot fighting with lion, and this is the prompt. So this is the prompt we copied and we are pasting this prompt here, and we will check out the result. Change or select asset. So I will give this asset view. So our video is in queue. We will and it's generating 10, 11, 17%, 15%. You can check out the result now, what Runway create and how to use Runway. %98. So check it out, what is the video. Oh nice, fuck, this is amazing man, this is amazing. Wow. So this is the result. You can make these type of video easily, and check it out my channel for future update. Thank you guys. Now you can download it from here. Okay, and it's downloaded. You can check it out, and it's very amazing. You can go and check it out. You can also make this type of video. Thank you.